The HH-100 model soldering station offers a spacious workspace that is about 25% larger than typical helping hand stations, complete with a combinable magnetic base and a heat-resistant mat. This all-in-one soldering toolkit includes over 10 practical accessories, making it perfect for various tasks such as soldering, jewelry making, and modeling. It features a soldering wire holder with 6 slots, which can be mounted using a magnetic base, anti-slip silicone pad, or hook hanging, providing versatile convenience. The soldering station includes a magnifying lamp with 10 times and 5 times magnification, adjustable lighting with 3 colors, and 10 brightness levels for clear and precise work. Equipped with 6 flexible gooseneck alligator clips with protective silicone pads, it ensures a secure hold and stability during intricate soldering tasks. The multi-groove soldering mat is designed to keep your components organized, allowing for efficient storage and easy access during projects.